All right, today we are taking a trip to a world of truly terrifying beauty. It's called HD 189733b. Now, from a distance, it looks like this peaceful blue marble, but get a little closer, and it is a complete and utter nightmare. Just picture it. You're in your ship, just cruising through the quiet of space. It's all silent, stars everywhere. And then, you see it, just hanging there in the void, is this single, deep blue orb. It looks so calm, so inviting. You can't help but be drawn to it, right? I mean, that color is mesmerizing. But as your ship gets closer, that peaceful feeling, it starts to fade. It gets replaced by something else, something unsettling. What exactly is this place?
Okay, let's start at the beginning, with that first deceptive impression. Let's talk about this mysterious blue dot.
So let's get the facts straight. We're talking about HD 189733b. It's an exoplanet, meaning it's outside our solar system, about 64 light-years from us. And yeah, scientists have a nickname for it, the Hell Planet. And trust me, it has absolutely earned that name. But way out here, you'd never guess. It just looks like this perfect, peaceful little jewel, a gorgeous marble of cobalt and navy blue. There's literally no hint of the absolute chaos that's actually going on down there.
And that brings us to our next section, the deceptive beauty. Because as we get closer, that calm, tranquil image is about to be completely shattered.
Okay, so the ship starts to shake. All your instruments are just going haywire. And that calm blue vibe, it's gone. It dissolves right in front of you, and you realize you haven't found some kind of paradise. You've just stumbled straight into a cosmic furnace. I mean, just look at this contrast. It's incredible. The appearance is all calm and serene, but the reality, it's a cosmic oven. You think it's quiet and peaceful? Nope. It's nothing but roaring storms. That welcoming blue is a mask for a violent, violent hell. Let's just start with the heat, okay? The temperature there is over 1,000 degrees Celsius. To give you some perspective, lead melts at just 327 degrees. So yeah, anything that gets close to this world is just instantly vaporized.
Now let's dive right into the heart of it, a hell of fire and wind. We're going to break down the anatomy of this terrifying place.
The winds. The winds on this planet are almost impossible to even imagine. They are screaming around the planet at 7,000 kilometers per hour. That is more than 5.5 times the speed of sound. If you could somehow stick your hand out, it would be gone before you even knew what happened.
And the whole environment is just extreme. The atmosphere isn't air, it's flaming gas. It's all caught up in a hurricane that never, ever stops and covers the entire planet. The surface isn't solid ground. It's got mountains of molten rock and actual oceans of fire. And if you looked up, the sky wouldn't be blue. It would be glowing this dark, menacing red from all that heat.
And the weather? Oh, the weather gets even weirder. It actually rains there, but, it's not water, it's raining molten glass. Silicate particles in the atmosphere get condensed and then whipped sideways by those insane supersonic winds. It's raining glass, sideways.
So what's the takeaway from all this terror? That brings us to our final section, a lesson in cosmic greatness. What does a world like this actually teach us about the universe and, well, about ourselves?
So here's the crazy part. Even in this inferno, there's a bizarre kind of beauty. That deep blue color, it's not from oceans. It's from light scattering through its hazy, stormy atmosphere, which is kind of like how Earth's sky gets its blue color. But here, every shimmer of that blue is a warning sign that says, stay away.
And that's one of the biggest lessons here. We tend to think of beauty as something peaceful, something calm. But HD 189733b is proof that some of the most stunning sights in the entire universe can also be the absolute deadliest.
When you get right down to it, a planet like this is a lesson in humility. It feels like the universe itself is just roaring at us, saying, I am here. You can't control me, so check your ego. This is just raw, untamable power on a planetary scale. And so as your ship pulls away, the roaring winds and that glowing red sky, they all fade. The planet shrinks back into that same shimmering blue dot you saw at the beginning. But something's different now. You're different. You know what's hiding behind that beautiful blue light, and the memory of that power, that's never going to leave you. You see, this planet is more than just some astronomical discovery. It's a total shift in perspective. It's a reminder that the universe is full of wonders and terrors that are so far beyond our control. And it really leaves you with one final haunting question. When you're faced with this kind of cosmic power, just how small are we, really?